Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Beauty is joy forever. Dear viewers, get ready for a unique, stunning, and stylish video on makeup look. Makeup look, eye and lips makeup look. This is the unique idea to get a charming ideas about makeup and lip look. By this video, you all knowing about trendy, stylish fashion which is going around the world. Because in this video, you all be able become to see very charming, stylish, and eye-catching ideas about makeup look. A stylish makeup look can make your personality very attractive, unique, and very different from others. In this video, you can get ideas of makeup along with other accessories of the makeup like dresses, matching shoes, nail polish, lipsticks, jewelry, and eye makeup along with that. This is all about style, beauty, and charm that enhance your personality. If you have a good makeup sense or combined to other stylish ideas, then you can get very attractive and achieve a good personality from others. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and share my videos to others. Thanks for watching. By this video, you all becomes able to achieve a great ideas about stunning eye makeup that will leave you feeling confident and ready for any occasions. Whether it is a date night, a special event, or just a fun night out with friends, this stylish eye makeup look will surely turn heads and make you feel like a star. Please follow my channel and subscribe it to get more videos like that. By this video, I tried my best to show you all ideas for preparing your lids to achieving the perfect blend. In this video, I tried my best to define different steps to attain a very good eye makeup look. Some steps are that eye primer and base, transition shades, define the crease, inner core, corner highlights, eyeliner, mascara and fall lashes and eyebrows. These are all about the accessories that make your makeup a stunning and stylish look. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to attend all my videos on time. Thank you.